Yeah, this is where we left off in our last part of the Audi RX6 modeling tutorial. So I'm planning on starting the interior very soon. I'm in the process of gathering some reference pictures online. So once I'm done with that, I'll start with the interior. So in this video, I want to make this cutout in a panel. This cutout right here. So let us get to it. Let me switch to the side view, front view rather, and go to edit mode. But first I have to apply my mirror modifier since the panel is only located at the left side. Go to edit mode. Let us select this vertex right here and place our cursor to the selected vertex. Let me add a plane because I want to cut out this plane to this panel right here. So let me scale it down, rotate on the x axis, and also push it out a little bit like that. And I'll try to position it using the reference I have right here. Let me pin this on top, yeah, and try to position it. Scale it down a little bit. Let's move this towards this end. Also move this towards this end. And let me delete this. Then extrude this on the x-axis. So this point right here, I think. Yeah, that should do. And I'm gonna move it a little bit. Yeah. So select all these vertices. Then Shift Ctrl P to bevel. Let's say let us bevel twice to this point right here, like that. Then let me place view selected. Then select all, then extrude it. Yeah, I should do. Or if I extrude it on the y-axis, yeah, let me just extrude it on the y-axis. Yeah, then select all and recalculate outside. Let me disable this. Yeah. So select all, recalculate outside. Let me check my numbers again. Okay, it's correct. Then select this panel, add a boolean modifier to it. Then I drop the cube. Also apply the boolean modifier. Then delete the cube. Then let's select the inner face. Ctrl+ to grow your selection and then delete the faces. Then let's just start clearing up vertices. Slide this and we turn on auto merge. Connect this to this, or slide to that part. Slide this to this part, slide this to this part, slide this to this part. I want to maintain the shape of the cube we added. So now I'm doing this. Sliding vertices. Slide this also to this, slide to this part. Let's slide this into it. This part, let me just slide this up. Also slide this. Add an extra loop right here. Use your Ctrl R. Then join this. All this and join to this part right here. Also add an extra loop right here. Select these two vertices, then join. Add an extra loop right here also. Select these two, then join. But we're having a chord. Are we having 5 polygons up there? So let us select this all, slide it to that point right here. Select this also, and then slide to this point right here too. Sorry about the noise. Let us fill the face, then insect it a little bit, then separate the insected face, then select these two, then join it, select these two, also join it, then select all, then insect twice, like so. So there we have it. Let me see whether it's closer to what we have in the reference. Kinda, yeah. I think that is cool. What origin? And there we have it, a cutout. So subscribe, and I'll see you in the next part. I'll be starting the interior in the next part, and hopefully I'll post it next week. So thank you, and see you in the next video.